Okay, welcome to 3-Door Apartment 101. This is the first video for 3-Door Apartments. As you notice, may mga truck loading na para sa comeback. So, this will be the gate, front gate. Front gate. This is the front gate. Notice, it's quite big. Ito yung 3-Door Apartments. So, they still have space here somehow. Notice for the spacing and yan yung 3-Door apartment. So, this is the 3-Door apartment. Actually, mabilis sila. So, basically, they're very fast. Okay. So, mananotice natin ang workload nila. Mas mabilis ngayon. Pabilis ang pabilis. So, ngayon, ipe-payloader. Gagamitin na yung truck na to to start. Okay. So, kailangan talaga magawa itong bakod because talagang hurdle ng bakod nito. So, maganda yung place. So, meron pa siyang konting space kasi ang purpose niyan, meron siyang hagdanan. You know. So kaya may spacing siya. Sa likod medyo sagad. Pero hindi naman lagpas. Hindi siya lagpas. Makikita mo siya. So ayan, pinipayload na. As you can see. And I have to sign out.